Have you ever tried something amazing?
Have you ever done something scary?
Have you ever been somewhere beautiful?
In English, these questions use a special form. Today, we learn it together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EngGlowUp.
Hi, everyone. So happy to be here today.
I'm Flora.
And I'm Michael.
Today, we are talking about experiences.
Things you have done in your life.
Things that just happened.
Things that you have already finished.
All in English. All simple and natural.
And at the end of today's episode,
We have 5 bonus phrases that will make you sound completely natural.
not just correct, natural.
Okay, Michael, today's grammar is very special.
Special how?
It connects the past to right now.
Curious. What do you mean?
Think about this. Yesterday, you ate biryani.
Past, finished. I ate biryani.
But if I ask, have you ever tried biryani?
That is different.
Yes, that question is not about yesterday specifically.
It's about your whole life.
Anytime, ever, up to right now.
So it connects my whole past to this present moment.
Exactly. That is the present perfect.
How do we make it?
2 parts, have or has, and the past participle of the verb.
Past participle?
For most verbs, same as past tense, just add ed.
Walk, walked, walked.
Cook, cooked, cooked.
Watch, watched, watched.
Same form, used differently.
And for irregular verbs?
Different form, but we learn them through conversation today.
Natural learning.
Always. So the structure is I have plus past participle.
I have visited Japan.
She has tried biryani.
They have watched that film.
Have plus past participle. Always together.
So, that is clearer than I expected.
Most things in English are.
You always say that.
Because it is always true. Practice time.
Say this out loud. I have, and add something you have done in your life.
I have visited another country.
I have tried a new food.
I have learned something difficult.
Your turn. Say one sentence. I have. Go ahead.
Think about your life, something you have done. Say it in English.
Right now, out loud.
Okay, first use of present perfect. Have you ever?
Have you ever, for life experiences?
Things you have done at any point in your life.
Not yesterday specifically, not last year specifically.
Anytime, ever.
Let's try it. Flora, have you ever been to Japan?
Not yet, but I'm going to go next year, remember?
Of course. Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to Singapore and to Dubai.
Impressive. Really? When did you go to Singapore?
3 years ago for a marketing conference.
Did you enjoy it?
I loved it. The food, the cleanliness, the energy.
Have you ever eaten Singapore street food?
Yes, I have tried everything. Laksa, char kway teow, satay.
I don't know what any of those are, but they sound incredible.
They are incredible, Michael. Have you ever tried Asian food?
I have tried Chinese food and Thai food.
Have you ever tried Indian food?
Sheepishly, I have not tried real Indian food yet, only the restaurant near my apartment.
That does not count.
I know.
When you visit Mumbai, I will fix that.
I can't wait. Have you ever done something really scary, Flora?
Yes. I have given a presentation to 100 people.
Was that scary?
Very scary. My hands were shaking the whole time.
But you did it.
I did it. Have you ever done something scary, Michael?
I have jumped out of a plane.
What?
Skydiving in Ohio 3 years ago.
Michael, you never told me that.
There are layers to me, Flora. We established this.
Apparently. Now, everyone, notice what we used.
Have you ever? I have been. I have tried. I have given. I have jumped.
All experiences from our lives, not specific times.
Not yesterday, not last Tuesday, just at some point in my life.
That is have you ever for life experiences.
Practice time.
Ask yourself, have you ever?
And answer honestly.
Have you ever tried a new food? Answer out loud.
Have you ever visited another country? Answer out loud.
Have you ever done something scary? Answer out loud.
Say your answers right now in English.
Okay, second use of present perfect. I have just.
Just for things that happened very recently.
Minutes ago, an hour ago, very close to right now.
Like, I have just finished cooking.
Or she has just arrived.
Or they have just called me.
Just means very recently, almost right now.
And it always goes between have and the past participle.
I have just finished, not I just have finished.
Between have and the past participle, always.
Let's use it in a real conversation.
Flora, I have just received some exciting news.
Really? What happened?
I have just been accepted into a photography workshop.
Michael, that's wonderful.
A proper workshop, 3 days, professional photographers teaching.
When did you find out?
I have just seen the email 5 minutes ago.
I'm so happy for you. You have already signed up for the class, and now this.
I know, things are moving. What about you? Any news?
Actually, I have just finished my Mumbai novel.
Finally.
Finally, I finished it last night.
How is the ending?
Content. Exactly right.
Now, everyone, I have just, for things that happened very recently.
I have just finished. She has just arrived. He has just called.
Have or has, then just, then past participle.
Practice time. Think about something that happened recently. Today, this hour.
Say, I have just, and finish the sentence.
I have just watched this video.
I have just had breakfast.
I have just finished work.
Your turn. Say one sentence, right now, out loud.
And, by the way, if you want to practice making plans in English, going to and will, we have a full episode on that.
Link is below this video. But for now, keep going.
Okay, third use of present perfect. I have already.
Already. For things you finished before someone expected.
Or before someone asked.
Like, have you done your homework? I have already done it.
Finished, before you even asked.
Already goes between have and the past participle.
I have already done it. She has already left.
Between have and the past participle. Same position as just.
Exactly. Let's use it in conversation.
Flora, have you booked your Japan trip yet?
I have already booked the flights.
Already?
I booked them last week, and I have already planned the itinerary.
Of course you have.
I have also already started learning some Japanese phrases.
Impressed. Flora, the trip is next year.
Preparation is important, Michael.
I know. Have you packed yet?
It is 11 months away, Michael.
So that's a no.
That is a not yet. What about you? Have you used your camera yet?
Actually, I have already taken my first photos.
Really?
Yesterday, in the park near my apartment.
How were they?
Honestly, some were good, some were terrible. But I have already learned from the terrible ones.
That is the right attitude.
Have you already told Priya about Japan?
She already knows. We have already started planning together.
2 Floras planning 1 trip. Japan is not ready.
Japan will be fine. Now, everyone, I have already.
For things finished before someone asked or before expected.
I have already booked. She has already planned. He has already learned.
Already between have and the past participle.
Practice time.
Think of something you finished before someone asked you about it.
I have already, and say what you finished.
I have already eaten breakfast.
I have already done my homework.
I have already seen that film.
Say your sentence, out loud, right now.
Okay, now, what if you have not done something?
How do you say that with present perfect?
Easy. You add not after have or has.
I have not tried biryani yet.
She has not visited Japan yet.
I have not tried biryani yet.
They have not seen that film yet.
Or use the short form, haven't, hasn't.
Haven't means have not.
Hasn't means has not. I haven't tried biryani yet.
She hasn't visited Japan yet.
Much more natural in spoken English.
And notice the word yet at the end.
Yet means not until now, but maybe in the future.
I haven't tried biryani yet, but I will.
I haven't visited Japan yet, but I'm going to.
Yet makes the sentence sound open, hopeful.
Like the story is not finished.
Flora, tell me something you haven't done yet.
I haven't learned to drive yet.
Really? In Mumbai?
In Mumbai, nobody needs to drive. Everything's close.
Fair point. What else?
I haven't tried skydiving yet.
You should. It is incredible.
I have not decided that yet.
What about you? I haven't visited Millbrook yet.
You haven't been home?
Not this year. I haven't had time.
You should go. See your mother.
I know. I will. Soon.
Good. Now, everyone, haven't and hasn't for things not done yet. I haven't tried. She hasn't visited. He hasn't called.
And add yet at the end to sound natural and hopeful.
Practice time.
Tell us something you haven't done yet.
I haven't yet.
I haven't tried sushi yet.
I haven't visited another country yet.
I haven't learned to drive yet.
Say yours out loud, right now.
Be honest. We all have things we haven't done yet.
Okay, let's put all three uses together now.
Have you ever, for life experiences?
I have just for things that just happened.
I have already for things finished before expected.
I haven't yet for things not done yet.
One conversation, all four.
Let's try it.
Flora, have you ever felt completely ready for something?
Thinking. Yes, I have felt ready for presentations before, but only after I've already prepared for days.
Of course. Have you ever felt completely unprepared?
Honestly, yes, I have just remembered my first day at Bright Arc. I had just arrived, I hadn't slept well in the plane, and they asked me to present in 1 hour.
Wincing. Oh no. What did you do?
I presented. It wasn't perfect, but I have already learned that imperfect action beats perfect inaction.
Well, wise, Flora.
Have you ever felt that way, Michael? Completely unprepared?
Many times. I have just thought of a good one, actually.
Tell us.
My first day in London. I had just arrived, I hadn't slept on the plane, I hadn't eaten since the airport, and my new manager said, "Michael, have you ever done project planning before?"
And had you?
Sheepishly, I hadn't, but I said yes.
Michael.
I learned very quickly, Flora.
I'm sure you did.
I have already become much better at project planning since then.
Learned.
Real growth. Now, everyone, did you hear all four uses?
Have you ever? I have just. I have already. I haven't yet.
All in one natural conversation.
About real experiences, real moments, real growth.
That's present perfect. Completely learned.
Practice time.
One final challenge. Answer all four out loud.
Have you ever? Say something you have experienced in your life.
I have just. Say something that just happened.
I have already. Say something you finished before expected.
I haven't yet. Say something you still want to do.
4 sentences, 4 uses, all in English, right now.
Go ahead. We're listening.
Beano. Bonus time.
5 natural phrases using present perfect.
These will make you sound completely natural.
Not just correct, natural.
Phrase 1. I've never.
For things you have never done in your life.
I've never tried skydiving. I've never been to Africa.
I've never is the short form of I have never.
Very natural. Very common in spoken English.
Phrase 2, have you heard?
For sharing news that just happened.
Have you heard? Flora is going to Japan.
Using present perfect to introduce exciting recent news.
Very natural way to start a conversation.
Phrase 3. I've been meaning to.
For something you have wanted to do but haven't done yet.
I've been meaning to call you. I've been meaning to try that restaurant.
Guilty. I've been meaning to use my camera for weeks.
And now you have.
And now I have. Phrase 4, it's the first time I've.
For a new experience happening right now.
It's the first time I've tried biryani. It's the first time I've visited Japan.
Connects a new experience to the present moment.
Very natural. Very meaningful.
Phrase 5. So far.
For talking about what has happened up to right now.
So far, I have learned 3 uses of present perfect.
So far this year, I have visited 2 new cities.
So far means up to this point. The story is still continuing.
5 phrases, all natural, all real.
Use them this week in a real conversation.
And that's today's episode of EngGlowUp.
We learned 3 uses of present perfect in English.
Have you ever for life experiences?
I have just for things that just happened.
I have already for things finished before expected.
I haven't yet for things not done yet.
all through one conversation between Flora and Michael.
About skydiving and Singapore and photography and Japan.
And biryani. Always biryani.
Always.
If this video helped you, please subscribe to EngGlowUp.
And share it with someone who is learning English.
Or someone who has a dream they haven't chased yet.
Leave us a comment below.
Tell us, have you ever done something that changed your life?
One sentence, I have or I've never.
We read every single comment.
Everyone.
Until next time,
Keep glowing up your English
and keep collecting experiences.
in English and in life.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.